Okay, on this one, let's see, it says the talent show committee sold a total of 530 tickets in advance. Student tickets cost $3 each and the adult tickets cost $4 each. If the total receipts were $1,740, how many of each type of ticket were sold? So this is another one where you start off with, well, first you gotta, let's see, X will be the student tickets, and Y will be the adult tickets. The first equation will just be X plus Y equals the total amount of tickets sold, which was 530. The second one is where we're going to put in the cost for the ticket. So let's say a student ticket is $3 and an adult ticket is $4, and the total amount of money they made was $1,740. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to use elimination, and I'll multiply it by -3. So -3x minus 3y equals -1590. 3x plus 4y equals 1740. These cancel out. See, that's y equals, let's see what this is, 150. And then I'll substitute it back in. I'm going to substitute it into this equation right here. So x plus 150 equals 530. Subtract 150 from both sides, and I get x equals 380. Okay, so my sentence would be, let's see, how many, so there were 380 student tickets and 150 adult tickets sold. Okay, we have two more. White chocolate costs $2 per bar and dark chocolate costs $2.50 per bar. If you buy 15 bars of chocolate for $34, how many bars of dark chocolate did you buy? Okay, so this one, well, we're going to solve for both. But let's see. So let's have the white chocolate will be the X, and the dark chocolate will be the Y. And you bought 15 bars, so that's X plus Y equals 15. The other one is where we put in the price. So 2X plus 2.5Y equals, and they spent $34. Okay, I'm going to multiply the top by -2, and I will use elimination. -2x minus 2y equals -30. 2x plus 2.5y equals 34. Those cancel out. This is 0.5y equals 4. And then 4 divided by 0.5 is really multiplying by 2, so that's 8. I'm going to substitute it back into this equation. X plus 8 equals 15. Subtract the 8. X equals 7. Now I know it asked just how, for just the dark chocolate, but I'll just write for both. So, you bought 7 white chocolate bars and 8 dark chocolate bars. Okay, I have one more for you to do, and this is the one that for some odd reason people either think is really easy or they think is super difficult. So hopefully it's super easy for you. Okay, so the difference of two numbers is 3. So difference means subtracting, in case you didn't remember that. And our two numbers in this case are just x and y. So x minus y equals 3. Their sum, that's adding, is 13. X plus y equals 13. What are the numbers? So I think this is easy because it's already set up nicely for you for elimination because I have opposites. So if I go ahead and do that, I get x plus x is 2x, and that equals 16. Divide by 2, x equals 8. I can go ahead and substitute that into either of these equations. I'll do the second one. Whoops. 8 plus y equals 13. Subtract 8. Y equals 5. So the sentence would be, let's see, what are the two numbers, or what are the numbers? The numbers are 8 and 5. Something like that. So that is it for your notes. You can go ahead and start on your assignment.